Welcome families to our AnderSTEM Night, Dome Sweet Dome. As a district, we have been putting a larger focus on STEM in all areas of our teaching. STEM inspires students to inquire and problem solve. This design process wheel was created to be used in all grade levels to help guide students through the design, implementation, and revision of their ideas. For the purpose of this presentation, we will be starting at the Ask step, but please remember that you can start anywhere in the process and very often you will revisit steps. Our first stop on the wheel is Ask. This is where you come up with a question that creates curiosity or a problem that needs to be solved. For tonight, we ask, can you build a dome that can hold a book or magazine with only the given materials? Next, we come to Imagine. Imagining is part of the brainstorming process where you will start thinking about all the possible solutions to your problem. When you get to this step, it is a perfect time to talk as a group. Throw out any ideas that come to mind. Even the silliest may work. After Imagine is Plan. Once you have thought up some ideas, pick one and plan it out. This is just like planning out a paper before writing it. It will give you a guide as you go along, and you might just come across some potential problems before you even start. So, try using the paper and pencil provided to plan how to achieve your goal. Next, you will create. Once your plan is in place, it is time to put it into action. Start creating your solution. One of the most important parts of creating in this project is teamwork. Once you have created your solution, it is time to try it out. Just like an experiment, you have to see if it will work. This step may require some trial and error. You may have to go back a few steps and rethink some things. Evaluating is next. Evaluating is a step that you might do through the entire design process. As you try new things, you will evaluate to see if it worked. If it didn't work, try to figure out why and what you could do to change that. Remember, you might be going back to other steps during this whole process. Once things are finished, you will communicate with your group. Communicating is a good time to discuss what worked and what didn't work. Sometimes we learn just as much from our failures as we do from our successes. When you get to your stations, you'll be given the materials and additional info. Teachers will also be stationed in each room to answer any questions. Good luck!
Created using Powtoon.